Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of throwing away those seemingly useless vegetable scraps? Well, get ready to be amazed. In this video, we're going to show you how to turn those scraps into a continuous supply of fresh, delicious produce. And the best part? It's all absolutely free. We're diving into the wonderful world of regrowing vegetables from grocery store scraps. It's easier than you might think. Imagine reducing waste, saving money on groceries, and enjoying the satisfaction of growing your own food, all from what you'd normally toss in the bin. So grab your scraps and let's get started. The core principle is simple. Many vegetables have the amazing ability to regrow from their base or root. We'll be focusing on some of the easiest and most rewarding options to get you started. To begin, you'll need a few essential supplies. Think of a container, a jar, a pot, or even a shallow dish will work perfectly. Of course, you'll also need water. And last but not least, access to sunlight is crucial for successful regrowth. The key to success is providing the right environment for your scraps to thrive. Our goal is to help them re-establish roots and start growing again. Let's start with one of the easiest vegetables to regrow, green onions. These are practically foolproof. Simply cut off the green part of the onion, leaving about 1 inch of the white base with the roots still attached. This is your magic starting point. Now, place the base in a container of water, making sure the root side is facing down. You want those roots submerged. Find a sunny spot in your home, like a windowsill, and place your container there. Sunlight is essential for growth. Change the water every few days to keep it fresh and prevent any unwanted bacteria from forming. You'll be amazed at how quickly they grow. Within just a few days, you should start to see new green shoots emerging from the top. It's like magic. Next up, let's tackle celery. This is another great option for beginners. Cut off the base of the celery, leaving about 2 inches from the bottom. This is the part we'll be using to regrow. Place the base in a shallow dish of water with the cut side facing up. Make sure the water level is just enough to cover the bottom. Again, find a sunny spot for your celery base. Sunlight is key to encouraging new growth. Keep an eye out for new leaves sprouting from the center of the celery base. This is a sign that it's starting to regrow. Remember to change the water regularly to keep it fresh and prevent any mold from forming. Now let's move on to lettuce and romaine. You can regrow these leafy greens from the base of the head. Take the base of the lettuce or romaine head and place it in a shallow dish of water, cut side up. Just like with the other vegetables, find a sunny spot for your lettuce base. Change the water regularly to keep it clean and fresh. With a little patience, you should start to see new leaves sprouting from the center. Finally, let's talk about garlic. While you won't get a whole new bulb right away, you can grow delicious garlic greens. Take individual garlic cloves and plant them in soil, root side down. You can usually tell which side the roots will emerge from. Water the planted cloves regularly, keeping the soil moist but not soggy. Soon, you'll see green shoots emerging from the soil. These are garlic greens, which you can harvest and use in your cooking. To ensure your success, always start with fresh, healthy scraps. Avoid using anything that looks wilted or damaged. Change the water regularly, every few days, to prevent mold and rot. This is crucial for healthy growth. Make sure your scraps get plenty of sunlight. A sunny windowsill is usually the perfect spot. Once the roots are well established, consider transplanting your regrown vegetables to soil for better, more robust growth. If you see any signs of mold or rot, discard the affected scrap and start again with a fresh one. Don't give up. Don't be discouraged by initial failures. Regrowing vegetables takes a little practice and experimentation. Remember to have fun with it. Experiment with different vegetables and see what works best for you. Keep in mind that not all vegetables are easy to regrow. Some require more specific conditions or techniques. The vegetables we've covered today are a great starting point for your regrowing journey. Once you've mastered these basics, you can explore regrowing other vegetables like ginger, potatoes, and sweet potatoes. Do some research and experiment to find out what works best in your environment. The possibilities are endless. Did you enjoy this video and find it helpful? We hope so. Now, we want to hear from you. In the comments below, tell us which vegetables you're going to try regrowing first. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up It really helps us out. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. We release new videos every week.